So my motivation for starting the challenge is my family, and just seeing that the change that has been with my husband. So my husband's Albert, and just watching him go through all the changes and all the hard work that he's done. Just eating a lot healthier, so we find that we look more at packages, sugar content, just the different stuff that are in the foods that we have. Thank you, Pacific Health, for that. Those nutritional workshops that you did with us was really good. So, yeah.
Really motivating as a group. We push each other, motivate, encourage, and it's really good to have Danny. We're very lucky, our youth, to have someone like Danny who's experienced, who helps us out, and good with the big people. And Pacific Health, you guys are the bomb. Since day one, you guys have been loyal. Thank you.